This is a 2019 Sandpiper 389RD 41-foot fifth wheel. Comes with 5 slides. This also has dual entrance with a sliding glass door. Four-door refrigerator, island kitchen, freestanding dinette, there's your second entrance. This also has 2 sofa sleepers, HD TV over fireplace, additional theater style seating, nice counter space as well, separate pantry, microwave, 3-burner stove and oven, a walk-around king bed, additional HD TV as well, and here is your washer and dryer prep area. This unit sleeps 6. For more information, just give us a call at 360-314-6141. And I would like to say welcome to Annie's RV in Vancouver, Washington.